Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Esther. So in today's video I want to show you or share with you how to get 4,000 hours watch time on your videos so that you can finally monetize your video and you can make money on YouTube. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So guys, few days ago, I think on Thursday, I got a message, or rather I found out that my channel has passed the mark for the 4,000 hours watch time, and I had already gotten 1,000 subscribers, so I was just waiting for the 4,000 hours watch time. So my channel was like, it passed that mark and I was so happy. So I did the whole process. If you have not watched that video on how monetization process, I will link somewhere here. You can watch it and see the whole process, what I did for my videos to get monetized, and I was so happy, and that's why I have decided to share with you what I did. And trust me, these tips that I will be sharing with you are things that I have done myself. I didn't go like try to Google 4,000 hours watch time, then I come here, I try to tell you. These are my life experience. Like they are things that I have done and I have seen them work, and I want to share with you. So I got monetized not long ago, but it didn't caught me unaware. I knew one way or the other I will reach that mark because there were some steps that I was following, and that's why this video is all about. I want to share with you. I hope you're ready to know how to get to those 4,000 hours watch time. If you are starting on YouTube, still it will be relevant. If you have maybe 1,000 hours or 2,000 hours, this video is very helpful. And if also you are starting on YouTube, it will be very helpful. Okay, so let's get into the video. So guys, my first step, or my first tip that I will give you, and if you're writing somewhere, write this down. Have a plan. If you want to get to 4,000 hours watch time, it won't like happen overnight. It can for those who go viral, but for us small YouTubers, we know the struggle here on YouTube, and it will not just happen overnight. So my first tip for you is have a plan. It can be a plan for 30 days, a plan for 60 days, or a plan for 90 days. It can't be a plan for 7 days, because 7 days is short to achieve 4,000 hours, more so if you're way behind. But from 30 days it's good. So what I did, every point that I'll tell you, or every tip I will tell you, I'll share with you what I did myself. So in the beginning of January, I was 2.2 hours watch time, and I knew by the time maybe I knew I wanted 4,000, so that was like I was working for 1.8 hours. You can imagine 1.8 thousand hours watch time. So what I did, I said I will have a 90-day plan for my channel so that I can be able to distribute content, to know what to do, when to do it, so that in 90 days I can look at my channel and see, am I at the place that I wanted to be. Like, my point is, you need to have a plan on your channel. Plan what you want to put out there, plan your content, plan how many views do you want in a day. I remember I would post until I will go to my analytics, check, maybe in 2 weeks I'll get 100 hours. Then it continued like that. Even I would know maybe in 3-4 days how many hours I'll get. So planning is the key. If you want that 4,000 hours watch time, you have to plan. And planning does not mean like now you leave everything else you're doing. No, you just need to take a calendar, put, maybe we have 7 days in a week, choose the days that you want to post, and plan ahead. my point is plan ahead. Okay, so talking of planning, I will go to my second tip because it's very related with the point one, and that tip number 2 is being consistent. Let me repeat that, guys. Be consistent. For those who have been following me, they know I post Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I don't post on Saturday and on Sunday. I post 5 days in a week since January. Like, I remember in January I was like, I will be posting five videos in 5 days in a week, and I was like, I thought it could not be achievable, but because I was so in it and I knew I want to reach 4,000, I want my videos to be monetized, I want to make money on YouTube doing what I love most. So I didn't have a choice. So I started posting 5 videos a week, and I'm telling you, it's not easy, but if you have planned and you have decided to be consistent, I guess it's easy. So guys, be consistent on your uploading. It's not a must to be like me, what I did. Don't say now I'll be uploading from Monday to Friday. No, nobody's telling you to upload from Monday to Friday, but at least 3 times a week. Because if you post once a week, you will either your videos are bomb, like they'll get 10,000 of views, but if they are getting 100 views in 2 days and maybe in a week they get 200 views, you need to keep on posting. Be consistent. So that's my point number 2. And consistency is the key. Consistency is the key. Be consistent. Even if you post a video and it gets maybe 10 views, it gets 50 views, don't give up, because tomorrow you'll also post another video, and you are looking for your viewers. Not everyone on YouTube will be your fan. No, not everyone on YouTube will be your, as in your friend. They want to watch everything that you post, but if you get that person who is interested, they will watch everything that you're posting. Okay. So point number 1, I have said, plan. Make a plan, and it must be a 30-day plan or a 60-day plan or a 90-day plan. Then be consistent. Like, be consistent. Upload more, at least 3 times a week. At least 3 times a week. And that will increase your watch minutes, and with watch minutes you will get to 4,000 hours watch time. Point number 3. So we are going to tip number 3. Tip number 3 is post related content. I'm looking down because I have my points here. Post related content on your YouTube videos that have more views. Like, guys, this is a win. Go to your analytic, and you can say on your YouTube studio, you can go to most viewed. You can select most viewed. Check if you have 50 videos, which are the videos on your channel that are doing well. So I will give you my example, because I told you these 5 tips are what I have been doing. Like, I'm not telling you what the neighbor did, I'm telling you what Esmo Fashion did. So what I did on my channel, even if today you go to on my channel, you'll see my most viewed videos are videos that I'm either reviewing something or I'm going to shop. I'm going shopping, like a shopping vlogs and reviewing products. Those are most viewed videos. So what I did, I duplicated, I created more content relating on the same topic, and this makes, when people watch one video which has more views already, it's being suggested. The other video that you have done, it will be suggested. So more views, more watch time. So that's something that you should do. If you see, maybe for example, if you're doing a fitness, you have a fitness channel, and maybe you did a video on maybe how to lose weight, maybe on your how to get flat tummy, and it got 1,000 views, and all other videos gets maybe 100, 200 views. Concentrate on how to lose, like on that topic of tummy, because many people who are coming on your channel, they loved that topic. So when you produce content on the same topic, most probably they will also love that. So guys, that's my tip number 3. Create content that is create related content that has most views on your YouTube channel. Okay. Point number 4. So after we have created content that has been viewed on our channel, now we want to go out there, check our related channels that do the same content. For example, like for me, I do fashion related content. I will go on YouTube, check who is doing fashion related content. Am I clear? Like, go to your niche. If your niche is cooking, make sure you know who does cooking videos that do well. If your niche is fitness, have at least 3 to 5 YouTube channels that do the same fitness. If you are traveling, or you love traveling, or you have a travel channel, go at least to 5 people who are creating the same content. Go to their most viewed and see what they are doing, because most definitely the videos that they are doing, people are liking what they are doing. So I went and this is what I did. So for that point number 4, here in Kenya, people are doing Dubois shopping haul, or Esmo, Gikomba toy. People are doing all those things, and I knew for sure if I tap on that trending topic, I will get views. So depending on the channels that are doing well, you can do a very, like, what can I say? Oh, I also did, if you've watched most of my videos, I did the Colgate with the Colgate and tomato paste, and all those videos I have done too, and most of them, they are more than 10,000 views. If you do videos that are doing well on other people's channel and you duplicate on your channel, and maybe your channels are relating, they are the same niche, most probably you will get views. And when you get views, you increase your watch time. So guys, that's tip number 4. That's tip number 4. Go out there, see what other people are doing, come duplicate on your channel. Not necessarily copying, but you can try to pick some few things, try to change, try to be authentic. Just take some few ideas and make it your own. Nobody is copying anyone. So that's tip number 4. Tip number 5, this one I will tell you for sure. Like, you need to optimize your titles, use good thumbnails, and make sure you use tags. Make sure you use tags. Because people they just upload videos and they don't have tags, they don't have good thumbnail, they don't have keywords. Guys, the point of this video is to get 4,000 hours watch time. And how do you get 4,000 hours watch time if your thumbnail is not good, or your title is not appealing when someone reads, or you don't have tags? When people type, they cannot find your videos, so your video will not have views. And when you don't have views, you don't have the hours, you don't have the watch hours. So guys, what I did on my channel, I used TubeBuddy. I don't know guys if you know TubeBuddy, but I will introduce you to TubeBuddy. So this is how TubeBuddy works. You install the software on your channel, and it will be directing you on what to do, which titles to put, which keywords to put, which tags. I'm telling you, TubeBuddy will save you. More so if you're a small YouTuber, TubeBuddy will really help you, because you'll be able to see the statistics. You'll be able to see how much my competitors are getting, and how many views I'm getting every day. As in, it's a lot. So guys, I'll just show you. Let me just show you what I mean by TubeBuddy. So enjoy this video. Let me just show you. Let me go to my laptop and show you what I mean. So guys, you'll go to your laptop or your phone and check tubebuddy.com,
I will leave a link down below. You can just follow the link and sign up. This is how TubeBuddy looks like. It says stop wasting times on creating thumbnails, managing comments, adding and end screens. TubeBuddy helps you even create your thumbnail. It will help you with your tags. So I'm going back to my laptop. You can see the statistic of my channel, how many views I have gained, how many subscribers I've gained, how many watch time I have gained. Then there's this SEO tool that helps you to plan your videos in advance. So here you just type how to get more views and you'll get so many suggested videos ideas. You will get tags that you have been given for free just to choose. Then step 3, for the thumbnail, you will be introduced to other creators who have done on the same topic. Then after that, you can decide what to do next. So yeah, TubeBuddy is the best. TubeBuddy is the best. Download it. I'll leave a link down below. Make sure you download and register. That's how my videos are tagged, as in they are ranking in tags, and as you can see, they are doing very well.
So guys, those were my 5 tips on how to get 4,000 hours watch time on YouTube and finally get monetized. If I got monetized, also you can get monetized. It's not like a big deal. It's not hard. Don't be lied to like it's not achievable. It's achievable, but you need to have your goal and to be focused on what you want, and everything will be okay. So guys, comment down below, let me know what you think. Tell me how far you are to get monetized. Comment down below, let us share. And I hope you have enjoyed this video, you have gotten something, and I hope you will you will apply some tips that I have shared with you. So if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing. If you're watching my ads, don't skip those ads, okay? So until next time, bye bye, love you.